In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on WeChat without security verification. So first, head over to your WeChat, and as you can see, you can download it on your App Store. You can also download it on Mac App Store, as well as you can get it from Microsoft as well as Android. So on your WeChat, you can also just sign up. On the account registration page, head over and click on the This Get Started option. And then from in there, you can see the types of WeChat account that you can get. So you can actually register through some particular options. So if you already know, WeChat can actually thrive in China market. So what you can do in order to sign up without securitification, you can sign up using your Google account as well as your Facebook or your actual Kakao right there. So with this, you can actually sign up without any verification since it will be connected to a social sign-in. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.